friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your Realme 11 Pro 5G. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. If you don't know how to hard reset your Realme phone, then just move on setting and follow the steps. Okay, just scroll on the down and here you can see this option additional setting. So tap on additional setting. When you click on additional setting, here is the many options. Just scroll down and on the down you can see backup and reset option. Friends, you have to click on backup and reset, and here you can see backup and migrate. So friends, here what you need to do is that first of all, before you do hard reset, just click on backup and migrate. After that, here click on local backup. Then here is the new backup. Click on new backup and here you can select your data. Okay, if you erase all data from this device or flush the ROM, local backup files will be deleted. Therefore, it is recommended that you copy the backup files to your PC or USB flash drive when backup is complete. So friends, do not forget to backup on your CP or USB, PC or USB, or to another device. Okay, so just click on start and follow the steps. Okay, through another device, PC or the Google Drive. Okay, I just click on the back button. After that, from here let's move on reset right now, and here is erase all data options. Click on erase all data, draw the icons and click on erase all data, and here hard reset will be successful. Okay, so this is how you can do hard reset on your Realme phone. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.